Hey guys, it is once again 15 below zero in Minnesota and time for another cold start video. These are my two Super Duties. This is a 2012 6.7. That one over there is an 07 6 liter. I've posted videos of that one in the past, but we're going to start this one first. I'm going to use my key since that's the way I typically start it, the remote start key. And then we'll attempt to start the 6.0. So here we go. Let's see how she does. A little slow, but she started. Both of these trucks are deleted, tuned, straight piped, etc. This truck's running a Mini Max tuner. The other truck is running an SCT with custom tunes. And I'm going to shut this video off and start the other one for another video. Thanks for watching.